what was said by someone that I called my man, saying that he's going to marry a virgin.
Ngizombeka phambili. Uyena ozomfazi oqala.
Akethi mawudimotha lo besithi u-number 1 ube u-number 2. Lo besithi u-number 2 ube u-number 3. Izoba njalo?
Injalo.
This wasn't even discussed with me.
Uyayilwela lo mfana unesibindi esimbi kabi.
Bengingayazi into yobana uplana le nto. So what's the reason why?
Le nto lena ihambisana nalesisho lesisithi wabuza ibhasi libhaliwe. Ibaluleke kakhulu nge-support structure. Efana uyibheke into yakho. Uyazi ukuthi vele hayi bandle ngeke ngikwazi ukufollosa ngaye.
Bi-follows uthi uyanalo phambili kodwa ibuye lireach. Le nto ayishoyo impumelelo ngiyayibona la ekhaya. Ngiyayi-understand.
If uPhumelelo uthatha a new wife, njihamba na abizwa number 2. Never.
Angikhathazekile ngoba phela mina ngiyayimela into engisuke ngiyishilo.